Hello everyone, my name is Shiraz Mehdi. Today I have to discuss about motion. So let's start. Here is the example of motion. An object is said to be in motion when its position changes with time t, is known as motion. The total path covered by an object from point P and Q is known as distance traveled by it. This is called distance. The shortest path or distance measured from initial point P to final point Q is known as displacement. Uniform motion. When an object covers equal distances with equal intervals of time is known as uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. When an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time is known as non-uniform motion. What is speed? The distance traveled by an object in unit time is known as speed. SI unit of speed is meter per second. What is average speed? Average speed is obtained by dividing the total distance traveled upon total time taken as upon t. What is velocity? Distance traveled by an object moving in indefinite direction is known as velocity. Acceleration, change in velocity of an object per unit time is known as acceleration. A is equal to v minus u upon t. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. There are three equations of motion. Number one is v is equal to u plus at. Let's prove it. Here is the velocity, here is the time, and O is equal to u. OC is equal to AD is equal to T. OA is equal to DC is equal to U. OE is equal to BC is equal to V. So BC is equal to BD is equal to BC minus DC. Change in velocity. AD is parallel to OC. So BC is equal to BD plus DC. V is equal to BD plus U. So BD is equal to V minus U, first equation. In velocity time graph, slope gives acceleration. A is equal to BD upon AD, BD upon T. So BD is equal to AT. Second equation. Put this second equation in equation 1. So we get put second in 1. So AT is equal to V minus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation. Let's find out the second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to distance traveled by an object, t is equal to time, and a is equal to moving with uniform acceleration. Distance traveled by an object is given by area enclosed with trapezium OABC. So S is equal to OABC, area of rectangle OABC. plus area of triangle ABD. OA is equal to U, OC is equal to AD is equal to T, and BD is equal to AT. So OC into OA plus half AD into BD. So put these values here. T into U plus half T into AT. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is the second equation of motion. Third equation of motion, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. S is equal to distance travelled by an object, T is equal to time, A is equal to moving with uniform acceleration, S is equal to area enclosed with trapezium OABC. OA plus BC upon 2 into OC. OA is equal to U, BC is equal to V, OC is equal to T. So put these values here. U plus V upon 2 into T. This is the first equation. So T is equal to V minus U upon A. This is the second equation. Substituting the value of T in equation 1, so we get S is equal to U plus V upon 2 into V minus U upon A. So S is equal to V square minus U square upon 2A. So V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This is the third equation of motion.